Welcome back to Money with Sofia, where we turn AI into income and build simple online businesses. What if I told you that some people are making money by selling words? Not products, not services, just prompts. And no, you don't need to be an AI expert to do this. Right now, the market for AI prompts is growing fast. People are buying prompts to save time, get better results, and make AI tools work smarter. In this video, you'll learn how beginners are making money selling AI prompts and how you can get started step by step. Let's get into it. First, what exactly is an AI prompt? A prompt is simply an instruction you give to an AI tool. The better the prompt, the better the result. For example, instead of saying, "Write an Instagram caption," someone might use a detailed prompt designed to create high-converting content. People are now paying for high-quality prompts because they save time and improve results. The second step is understanding why prompts are valuable. Most people use AI tools the wrong way. They type something basic and get average results. But experienced users create more detailed prompts that generate much better content. This is why prompt packs are becoming a popular digital product. You're essentially selling shortcuts. The third step is choosing a niche. The best prompt packs usually solve a specific problem. For example, business prompts, marketing prompts, social media prompts, content creation prompts, productivity prompts, resume prompts, or prompts for online businesses. The more specific the problem, the better. The fourth step is creating prompts using AI. This might sound funny, but yes, AI can actually help you create better prompts. Tools like ChatGPT are great for brainstorming prompt ideas and testing outputs. But right now, many creators are also using Claude because it performs especially well for longer, more structured writing and detailed outputs. Some creators even prefer Claude for building premium prompt packs because of the quality of responses. Another tool growing quickly is Gemini. Gemini is often used for research, brainstorming, and organizing information. Many creators compare outputs from different AI tools to improve the quality of their prompts. This is actually one of the smartest strategies. The fifth step is testing your prompts. This part is extremely important. Don't just create prompts and assume they work. Actually test them. Try different versions. Improve the wording. See which prompts give the best results. The better your prompt works, the more valuable it becomes. The sixth step is packaging your prompts into a digital product. This can be as simple as a PDF, guide, or document. For example, 50 Claude prompts for small business owners, or 100 AI prompts for content creators. Simple sells. People want shortcuts that save time. The seventh step is selling your prompt pack online. Many beginners use platforms like StanStore to sell digital products. You can also promote prompt packs through social media, faceless content, or YouTube. The more content you create around AI, the easier it becomes to attract the right audience. Here's the truth. The AI prompt market is still early, and that creates opportunity. But most people will only watch videos about this. Very few will actually start. You do not need the perfect product. You just need to solve one small problem for one type of person. That's often enough to get started. If you want more simple ways to make money with AI, make sure to subscribe. And check the link below for tools and resources to get started.